Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to change the filter for the furnace which is in the attic, and this is for a typical dear Horton Town home. So you will need a 6 feet ladder to get onto the attic. So whatever you're seeing, that's the furnace placed in the attic. So climb carefully. So you will see a lot of ducts, pipes, covers and all. And here you will see a knob to switch on off, which is open or closed for the main floor, and on the right hand side there will be a switch for the upper floor to adjust the air. And these two sections what you are seeing, that is the furnace machine or the circuits, and this is the airflow, and this is a switch which you need to switch off before replacing the filter. And you can find the air filter in this component. So for that you need to remove 3 screws. And then you can see already existing air filter, and observe the arrow which is pointing down. So while you are replacing a new one, you need to make sure the arrow is pointing down. So you can see all the dust accumulated to it. So it's a 10 by 10 what I have. So you may have a different size, so check for proper size and replace with the exact size. So you see the arrow pointing down, so put in the same direction and insert into the box, and then put over the cover and fix the screws as usual. Now switch on the main furnace, and then you are all